Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Good day, this is Thabiso Mhlongo, the founder and CEO of Epicure Bitez Eatery. We are based in Atteridgeville, 55 More in the heart of Tshwane. What Epicure Bitez offers, we are a gourmet experience establishment. We sell food, we sell your wraps, your tacos, and we are proud as the first establishment to bring tacos to the township. And how you can reach us on social media, we are Epicure Bitez Eatery at Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And the journey of how Epicure Bitez has been established is that I was working at one of the famous health restaurant in South Africa. So the passion grew from there, where I was like, you know what, one day I need to open my own establishment. And this was in 2018. 2020, Epicure Bitez was established, and here we are 2 years, 7 months later. Hi, my name is Thabiso Mhlongo, and I'm a township entrepreneur.